Sense LA is based on the idea that we are all interconnected. The issues and situations that affect our daily experience and the concepts that shape the individual ways we perceive the world are intertwined in a kind of social web. Sense LA is a new model which responds to the need for governments to create more flexible and nimble frameworks to quickly respond to the rapid changes we face, with an understanding that decisions and supporting policies must be based on the needs of the moment. We work with cities, neighborhood councils, and civic organizations to bring community members and city officials together in sharing the experiences and concerns in their neighborhoods.
So I know for sure everyone who signs on for this, that it will change your community and it will actually bridge the barriers, the communication gaps between the government and the community. I've seen it happen.
Working through often difficult and contentious issues with divergent perspectives on everything from lack of affordable housing and public spaces, access to healthy and affordable food options, public safety and relationships with local law enforcement, and convenient and safe public transport.
You're the first scientist who has came in with the real idea of community work. So, and have a great broader community. This is what we need. Yeah. We don't need people coming in dissecting us. Yeah. We need people who's coming in helping us to build ourselves up in our community. Yeah. We've been dissected enough since 1965.
Through a day-long generative discussion and collective visualization, we work together to better understand how these challenges and concerns interact and impact each other. By understanding these individual problems, we can find a shared pathway in developing an interconnected response and more collaboratively driven policy. The current crisis has made this interconnectedness all the more evident. More plastic and responsive governance is urgently needed, not only in enacting policy, but also by improving its capacity to harness the myriad voices across all levels of society. Sense LA has a unique role to play during these challenging times. We are currently exploring innovative ways to adapt to our increasingly virtual world.
So we're very focused on looking at how we use technology and data to improve city services, but we don't want to design this from the City Hall or within City Hall East. We want to design this with the community.
Sense LA is in the process of developing new models of social interface and dialogue in digital and chat-based environments to ensure that open, honest, and collaborative dialogue remains a central and crucial part of our work.
You have breathed life into Watts. From these activities, we have been able to initiate an opportunity fund for Watts.
An informed, involved public taking control of their fate via effective and inclusive democratic governance is the most powerful weapon we have against the spread of this disease. This is why the method that Sense LA uses is called Prepare. We are preparing for not only this pandemic, but for any future crises we will face down the road.